This is the Himalaya Herbals Purifying Neem Face Wash, 100 ml, to prevent the recurrence of acne. The Himalaya Herbals Face Wash targets dry skin and relieves itchiness. It reduces irritation as well. With antimicrobial properties, it treats redness and wounds, and prevents any infection. It gets rid of acne-causing bacteria from the root, and improves the overall health and immunity of your skin, to keep future acne or ulcers at bay. It is formulated with soothing neem oil and turmeric. It is suitable for combination skin types. It has a neem fragrance. The face wash comes in a 100 ml tube. The product is available in a 100 ml and 400 ml bottle. This product is also available in combo options. To use, apply the face wash on a moist face, and massage. Gently work up a lather using a circular motion. Wash off, and pat dry. Use twice daily. Use the Himalaya Herbals Purifying Neem Face Wash, 100 ml, to prevent the recurrence of acne.